Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to install a theme in VS Code. As you can see, I've already opened the VS Code editor. To install a theme, simply go to View, Extensions, and here search for a theme. For example, let's say I want to install a material theme. So I'll type it out. Now you can see there are a bunch of themes with the same name, but we need this one, the very top one. Simply click on Install. After installation, you'll get this sort of a window and you can see material theme is already applied. Now let's say I want to pick a different theme. So I can simply press this down arrow key. You can see now I can preview the theme before I can apply it. Let's go with the very first theme, material theme. Close this. Now let's say after a while, for example, a day or two, you want to change the theme. For that, you have to go to View, Command Palette. Simply type here color theme. Click on it and you will get a list of all the themes that are available for you. So here you can see there are different variations for the material theme. You can go ahead and pick any one. Let's say I'll go with this material theme darker. Click on it and you can see it got applied. So far you have understood how to install a theme and how to change a theme. But now let's say you want to uninstall a theme, how you can do so. For that you have to go to View again, Extensions, and here search for the theme, material theme, like this, if you know which theme you want to uninstall. Otherwise, you can simply click on this installed one and you will get list of all the extensions that you have installed. So these themes are basically extensions and you will find one here. If you want to uninstall this, you can simply click on this icon. You'll get this window and simply click on uninstall. You can see it is uninstalled, but I have to restart the extensions. Simply click here. Now to make sure it is really installed, for that you have to go to View, Command Palette, Color Theme. Simply click here and you will see now material theme is missing. So that's how you can install the theme, change the theme, and uninstall the theme. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.